Musicality.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to do showing you guys how to do the very simple spin slash rotation transition on Sony Vegas. You will need the Sapphire plugin, so you can just search that up on how to get that. And by the way, guys, real quick, if you guys want me to do like more in-depth tutorials than just simple transitions, then be sure to comment down in the comment section, because I would like to do them very much, but I'm not sure what you guys would like to learn. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. This is pretty simple, so yeah, let's get started. So obviously the first thing you want to do to any clip is just make sure to disable resample to any clip. It just makes it run better and stuff, so it just looks a lot better. So now we're gonna go to video effects and scroll down until you find S-blur curves, and you're gonna add the default on to your first clip, and you're gonna want to change the wrap to reflect for both, and we're gonna obviously animate the rotate. So you're gonna want to move this keyframe over to all the way to the end. You're gonna go back 5 keyframes from that. And add a keyframe. I meant 5 frames back, not keyframes. And then you're gonna go 5 frames back from that, so and add another keyframe. So for the last one, you're gonna put 60 on the rotate, and for the one before it, you're just gonna put 10. And on this specific transition, you don't have to change the fade at all. It can just stay as linear fade. It looks better like that anyways. And for this keyframe, you're just gonna leave it alone. So that's already it for the first clip. So now you're gonna add the same thing basically to the second one. Reflect, rotate. So this time you're gonna leave it on the beginning, and of course we're gonna add all the keyframes again. So this time instead you're going to move 5 keyframes forward from the beginning. Okay, so the first keyframe on this is going to be 90 degrees actually. Or sorry, negative 90 actually. So negative 90. And for the second one, it's going to be negative 10. And that's pretty much it, guys. I don't know what to say, guys. It's really darn simple. Probably one of the easiest ones I've showed you, apart from the slide transition. Now, on my preview, it looks kind of laggy, but that's because lately my preview has been, even though I pre-render it, it's just really laggy. I don't know why it does this, but it just lags. So, but once you render it out, obviously it's gonna be a lot smoother. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If this did help you out, make sure to drop a like, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload a video, hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.